we're looking now at a very interesting, monumental, oversized, early 18th century engraved genealogical chart, which depicts the genealogy of the royal families of France. In addition to the crests that are running across the top, the shields or crests with crowns, across the bottom is a series of four very well done sort of prospect views, the three of which depict the Louvre Museum. This very large sheet is actually joined by the publisher down the middle, so it's composed of two separately engraved and printed plates and sheets as issued here. It's clean and well preserved with original fold lines, exceedingly detailed with the various branches chronicled and with details of the names and so on, with dates, etc. And this Chatelain 1720 engraved chart is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.